In this video, we will continuing talking about the 15 things you need to know about the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado, and this is the last video. Check this. It's all about the base. When the new Silverado goes on sale, it will be offered in a total of 8 trim levels. The base work truck trim lives up to its name and features 17-inch steel wheels, vinyl or cloth seats, and black exterior trim. Even the base truck comes with a 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a throwback grille design that drops the brand's classic bow tie in favor of Chevrolet block lettering. Sweet. Custom and/or custom TRAILBOSS trim. The custom trim adds body color exterior trim, 20-inch aluminum wheels, and LED taillights. Stepping up to the custom TRAILBOSS nets a 2.0-inch lift as well as the E71 off-road package, which includes a locking rear differential, skid plates, a set of Rancho shocks, and 18-inch wheels wrapped in knobby Goodyear Duratrac tires. Stuck in the middle with you. Holding down the middle of the Silverado 1500 lineup is the LT. It sports a Chevrolet bow tie badge up front and adds chrome exterior bits, LED headlights, and an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. An LT TRAILBOSS features all of the off-road ready equipment from the custom TRAILBOSS and also includes the convenience items from the LT. Really, a sporty truck? A new RST trim provides the Silverado 1500 with additional visual pop by way of body color exterior trim, all LED exterior lighting, and available 22-inch wheels. Unfortunately, there's no word on whether or not the RST trim will pack additional ponies under its hood. Regardless, we're crossing our fingers that a high-horsepower Silverado SS sees the light of day again in the next few years. Take me to the high country. The Silverado 1500 LTZ and high country trims are the zenith of the lineup and cater to customers in search of a dollop of luxury. The former features standard luxury and convenience items such as leather seating surfaces and power folding exterior mirrors, while the latter gets a special two-tone grille, chrome running boards, and a standard power tailgate.